Oh my, giant. Oh my goodness. Giant. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh man. This is, definitely my PB. Oh my gosh. What's up, YouTube? Bursting here. Hope everybody's doing awesome. Today we finally have a really nice afternoon here in northern Indiana, and we came to this beautiful Wildcat Creek, and we're gonna do some creek fishing. Stay tuned, it will be a good one. Okay, let's start with this Kel-Tec Shiner swim bait. Alright, first cast. The temperature is pretty high now, it's almost 70, and the water temperature is probably about 50, I would say. So oh, already, oh my, wow. Oh yeah, first cast. How about that? Whoa. That is an awesome start. Oh, come on. Let me, okay. Nice creek smallie. First cast. We're gonna let him go. See ya. Okay, guys. That was a really nice start. Let's see if we can catch more. Oh, nice. Oh my, it's a pretty decent one. Oh, wow. Come on. Woo. Awesome fish. Wow, how about that? Awesome. All right, guys, we just caught a white bass here, but for some reason my camera didn't capture that. Hopefully we can catch one more. We've been here for like 10 minutes and 3 fish already. This is really nice. We're gonna make YouTube, guys. Oh, another one. Ooh, come on. Wow, love this creek fish. It's fighting so strong. Okay, oh. Another smallie. See ya. Okay, guys, we are on fire today. It's a really nice call to come here. Let's try see if we can catch more. There you go. Whoa, wow. Did you guys see that? There are so many minnow here, and bass are actively chasing. Oh God! Oh, came off. Ah, should have paid attention. Okay. Whoa, you're making a mess, bro. Oh, come on. Fish number 5. Thanks for biting. Go eat more. Oh, that was fun. Wow, this Shiner swimmer bait, it's still like new. Come on, fish. Lunchtime. Oh, another. Come here. Come here. Ooh. Oh. Whoa. Come on, come on. See you, little guy? Such a fighter. Let's keep going. Oh, just need some time to let him swallow it. Oh, well, still counts. Alright, I will set the hook a little bit stronger next time. Oh, okay. It's finally starting to wear out. Let me see if I can still use it 1 or 2 times. I kind of lost count how many fish I caught with this bait or lure. Another one. Oh, come on. Wow. Whoa. Come on. Another pretty decent one. They're schooling like right in front of me. I'm just gonna keep casting here. See ya. All right, new lure. Let's go. Wonder how many fish we can pull out of this place. So far, nothing too huge though. Oh, whoa, what is this? Oh, I need, okay. Oh, come on.
No, God! No, God, please, no! No! No!
Or that was a huge one. I don't know. Well, it happens. But that was giant. Either a giant or, yeah, the track was all right. It was not too, it must be a giant. And it hits so, okay. Oh my, another one. Oh, good one. Oh gosh, come on, man. Oh, it's not like huge, but you know. Well, not too bad. See ya. Whoa. Okay. We're gonna catch them all. Oh, feeling hot. Oh, nice. Oh my, giant. Oh my goodness, giant. Oh, come on. Oh man, this is, definitely my PB. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh, that's the fish I'm looking for. Oh my goodness. Oh, we're getting our weight on this guy. Oh man. Oh man. Okay, 0 out. Let's get a weight on this guy. Oh my goodness. 3 pound 5. Wow. Oh man, this is a giant. Oh my goodness. Look at this belly. Guys, unbelievable. Unbelievable. Oh, that was one of the craziest fights I ever had. Oh, let it go. Oh, thank you so much. Oh, look at this. Oh man, I still can't believe. Oh, oh. Okay, guys, that was 1 hour of pure awesomeness. Hope you guys had 10 minutes of it. Yeah, creek fishing is finally here, and I'll definitely do more of these. So I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.